Okay, so we're going to try and make quite a complex game using a high score, maybe some lives and a timer. So to begin with, I've chosen a diver. I've taken a diver from the folder, the people folder down here, and I've called him Diver. Now to begin our game, I just want to give him some basic functionality. I want him to move around the screen, and I would like the user to be able to control as he moves around. So if we go into control when green flag clicked, and we will say forever. This is what we would like to carry on all the time. Forever move. Okay, so forever move. There we go. Off he goes. Disappeared. So maybe that's not all that we need to do. So let's slow him down just a little bit. Move 5 steps. Okay, that's slow enough that we can actually see him doing something. We'd like some user interactivity so that when you see him get into the edge of the screen, you can bring him back in. So if we go back into control, we'd like the user to control him. So we will say within this forever loop, we can say if. We will say if, and we would like the computer to sense what the user is doing. So we go into sensing, and there's lots of options, but key pressed is the one that we want. So if key, and there's plenty of keys to choose from, but I'm going to select the right arrow. If key right arrow pressed, I'm going to get him to turn right. So this one, turn right. Okay, and let's just add if left arrow pressed, if key left arrow pressed, motion turn left. Okay, so there's a nice basic program. Let's see what that does. So I've now got some control. He's a little bit jerky because I'm also recording the video. My computer is struggling. I think he turns a little bit too much when I press those keys. So if I use the red stop everything button, I'll just make him turn 7 degrees, one way or the other. So now I've got a basic character who swims around, and I can control what he does. So there's our entry-level start to this game design. We've got a character that the user can move around the screen. In the next video, we'll have a look at designing our background.